to IKEA. And come on and shut up.
And shut up all the way. Oh, we're going to IKEA. So I'm gonna be showing you guys some new stuff that they got. Show them the ghetto one. Am I still? So we got the basket. I probably should get my own. Just so I can.
I mean, I'm always coming to
Don't have to carry nothing.
Hopefully.
You're getting one thing.
That's what I got over here. My hands, I don't know.
Yeah.
You know that ice cream scoop? That's what I get. Some
The ice cream.
ice cream scoop.
I'm gonna browse anyway. I'll run into the part of it at some point, but I was planning on getting one. Whatever that one.
The phone base, the charger.
Oh no, I'm not gonna get that. Oh, where you got no earrings?
Juicy. We're only getting one item.
Yeah, I'm wearing my down coat.
And then at the end, show them all I just got. I'm gonna try to do this. You got a shop to IKEA with your eyes closed.
With her eyes closed, y'all. So we're in the upper level. Oh, that bed is nice. Oh, you can be talking about. Good. Look at that yellow. Oh, look at this little basket, y'all. That is so new. Cute. That's new.
Don't you want an IKEA home?
Yes, I do. I'll just put my purse and my phone in there.
Now that's too cute for the plant. If you got a tree, oh, that's to put your tree in here to cover so that, you know, because some pots.
I definitely want to get that.
Oh, look
And
at
I
that.
like this rug too. They call this a jute rug. I think that's real cute. Are those yellow shirts? Oh, that's cute.